stop right there. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back, please.
Put your hands behind your back.
Have you got any ID on you?
No.
No ID?
No.
Are you from Cardiff?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
How do you spell your first name?
How do you spell your name? You know to spell your name. Your
I'm
first
okay.
name.
Do whatever you want.
You don't want to give me your name?
I'm not giving it.
No problem at all.
Okay.
That might just result in your arrest, but we'll see.
Alright. It's up to you.
No problem.
Alright, no problem.
One foot up. And then just
My back
wash
is
it.
problem. My back is problem.
Alright, just see if you can push yourself. You can go in on your bum and scoot in. Better?
I'm sitting there leaning back.
Yeah.
What's the plan here, mate?